Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can close multiple tabs in the Brave browser at once in 2026. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so let me navigate to the Brave browser, and as you can see, I have several of these tabs open. Now you can do this by simply pressing and holding the left control button on your keyboard, or command if you're using a Mac. And while holding the given key, left click into the selected tabs. We will go with this one, that one, and also that one. As you can see, all three are now highlighted. It works actually the same way as on any other browser or content creation application. It's simply a question of selecting multiple tabs at once. And once you have selected all three, simply right click into one of them and select, let me find it really quickly, close here. Or use the shortcut Control W, and that's basically it. I'm going to keep them open for demonstration purposes. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.